Industrial disputes, meaning a conflict between employer and employees regarding wages, working conditions, or employment terms. A conflict between employer and employees regarding wages, working conditions, or employment terms. Causes of ID. ID means industrial disputes. Okay. Low wages, layoffs, bonus issues, unfair treatment. Types of ID. Industrial disputes: strike, lockout, layoff, retrenchment. Effects of ID: production loss, financial loss, damage to employee reputation, unemployment. Workers stop working. What? Workers stop working, what will happen? Strike. If employer closes factory, what will happen? Lockout. For example, workers demand bonus. What happened? Workers demand bonus. Management refuses. Workers go on strike. Production stops, then company faces loss. Understood? Workers demand bonus. Management refuses. What will happen? Workers go on strike. Production stops, company faces loss. That is called industrial disputes. Industrial disputes between employer and employees. This topic is very important and there are few acts are related to this. Industrial Disputes Act, Trade Unions, Grievance Handling, Collective Bargaining, POSH Act. So there are career roles like HR compliance officers, IR officers. IR means Industrial Relations Officer. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe for Jobs for Hire. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.